Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys and dear subscribers? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my channel where I bring you the most enchanting pixie short haircut ideas for the charming ladies. Dear viewers, if you are looking to transform your look and embrace the beauty of the short hair, you have come to the right place. So dear viewers, join me on this transformative journey and unlock the potential of the short hair. Get ready to charm the world with your new pixie short haircut. So dear viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest hairstyle ideas and all upcoming and updated videos. So dear viewers, share this video with your friends who are also ready to embrace the world of the pixie haircuts. So dear friends, let's embark on this enchanting beauty adventure together. So dear friends, I suggested you to watch my video till end because today in this video you can get very amazing and very unique haircut ideas for your beautiful and charming hair. By adopting these ideas, you can enhance the beauty of your personality and boost up the confidence. Dear viewers, today in this video, I am created a collection of the most unique and stylish pixie haircut inspiration that will make you stand out with confidence and grace. Dear viewers, whether you are a trendsetter or seeking a low maintenance that yet captivating hairstyle, today these pixie cuts cater to various tastes and personalities. So dear viewers, by watching this video, you can get very charming haircut ideas providing the very insight into how to achieve these looks. From the classic pixies with a modern twist to daring and edgy variations, you will find the perfect haircut to watch your individuality.